Before I begin, I have to disclose the health risks involved. Warning: evacuate everything that's alive. That includes pets, plants, and most importantly, people and all electronics before using the generator. Now, mold and pests are some of the most annoying things to get rid of permanently. In real estate, one of the tools we use is this ozone generator. This little machine creates O3, which is basically a highly reactive, triple-stacked oxygen atom. When O3 is released, it wants to react and combine with everything alive, similar to H2O2, which is hydrogen peroxide. When it touches the cell walls of, let's say, a mold spore, it breaks it apart and makes it unable to function. Ultimately, it kills it. The problem is, it does not discriminate, so the cells in your lungs and skin can also be destroyed. It also reacts with metals, so any electronic devices, especially your lights, should be removed from your tent before you start. Fortunately, ozone naturally dissipates, and a room will return to safe levels after a couple of hours. The actual use of the generator is really simple. First, remove anything that you want alive and all electronics that are within range of your generator. Then, completely seal your tent by tightening all the drawstrings and ventilation holes. Plug your device in and get ready to bolt. Since these tents are small, you only need the generator on for like 30 minutes. Quickly, turn it on, zip up your tent, then leave your house. Again, do not return until at least 2 hours after your generator has turned off. The first thing you want to do when you return is open up your windows to air it out. That's literally all you need to do, and now your tent is as sterile as you could possibly get it. For a tutorial on a basic cleanup that did not have any issues with mold or pests, click the link on the top right. If you value this content, smash that like, hit that bell, and for the best tutorials on all things growing, check out our site, hwgrow.com.